Check, check, check. Mic check. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3.
What is going on, viewers, and welcome back to the channel. So I've got here a demonstration and unboxing of this unique wireless microphone setup. Now it comes with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. You connect the receiver to a smartphone, a digital camera, or even a computer or sound audio board that you can record the audio from. Completely wireless, which is really cool. You can have this connected to your device, and then each one of your on-screen talent has one of these transmitters. So as you can see here, the transmitters are completely unique. Your typical setup will have just the microphone by itself. This one has a microphone, and it actually adds an earpiece, so you can add dialogue, say from a second person, or even if you're doing an interview, you can hear them through that earpiece, which is really, really unique. Everything is enclosed all in one piece. It has a neckband that goes right around your neck, and the transmitter sits right there, so everything is hands-free. So without further ado, let's go ahead and zoom on in and unbox this unit, and I'll also follow it up with a full-on audio sound test so you can get a full sense of what you're getting out of this system. All right, up close and personal, let's go ahead and take this out of the packaging here. Really, really cool attention to detail with this nice box here. Solid cardboard box. And that's, yeah, again, really attentive. It's not just your typical brown corrugated box. Yeah, instruction manual, of course. This is really cool. You get a charging cable, but as you can see here, it has 1 USB-A for plugging into a power brick, and you get 3 USB-Cs for plugging each of the devices in and charging them simultaneously out of 1 power brick. Let's go ahead and start with the receiver here. As you can see here, this is the receiver. Plastic sleeve here. Nice compact unit. You get your TRRS connector, and also included in the box is a TRRS to TRS converter. This is going to be more for your digital cameras. Plugging into, say, a phone or tablet, you would use the TRRS. As you can see here, simple 1-button operation. On this side, you get your USB-C charging port. And then on this side, you do have a 3.5mm audio jack. And then right here on the corner, you're going to see the 3 LEDs. So you have 1 for power, and then you have 2 transmitter LEDs, and that's going to tell you the connection to each of these transmitters here. And as you can see in the packaging, there is a spot for a separate clip-on mic. That's a different package than the one that I have now, but essentially it would be similar to the one that I'm wearing now. It's literally just a microphone. There is no earpiece to it. So with both of these transmitters being identical, I'm just going to go ahead and take one out of the package and show you in close detail what you will be getting. But essentially, these are identical. All right, let's go and set this aside. And here is the meat and potatoes of it. This is the bread and butter right here, folks. As you can see here, you've got your transmitter. You've got your single 1-button operation on this side. You've got your USB charging port there. This is where the magic happens right here. This guy right here has your built-in mic. And then you have your separate earpiece. That's where you're going to hear your audio coming from the other mic. So you can literally have 2-way conversations, or even say if you want to feed the dialogue to the second person on camera, you can do so with this. It's going to be really, really cool. Now the microphone does have a button here, and that's actually to mute yourself. So you can mute yourself on the fly if you need to. And as you can see here, nice flexible design that's going to go right around the neck. So let's go ahead and power this on. I'm going to connect it and replace my mic system here, so you guys can get an actual sound quality test out of this system here. All right, and there is your triple pack bundle right there. I'm gonna go and charge these up, and then I'm gonna go and connect the mic to my camera and get you a complete direct comparison with the mic that I'm wearing currently. So let's go ahead and hit the power button really quick. As you can see, the power button is lit with a red LED. Now I'm going to go ahead and take one of my transmitters and power this guy on. And you should see the red LED connect right away. Now I get an audio alert from the actual transmitter saying that it was powered on and connected. And as you can see here, the blue LED is lit next to the second transmitter. I'm going to go ahead and power on the first transmitter. As you can see here, you've got your power LED, and you've got the dual transmitters that paired basically instantly, which is really cool. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and connect this directly to my camera and get you guys an actual sound test from this setup. All right, guys, so as you can see here, I am wearing the unit. Check it out. Really comfortable to use. The neckband is really a soft rubber material. It's not abrasive at all, but this is the audio coming directly out of the microphone here. Now, I'm sure the audio quality sounds pretty good. I could probably add a little bit of sound processing to it, maybe adjust the bass and the treble levels, add a little bit of compression, but as you can see here, this is the audio quality coming directly out of the microphone. So this is the Lensgo 318D microphone kit. There's a bunch of different options. You have single, dual microphones. You also have a clip-on mic. There's a lot of different packages that you can check out in the description below. So all of the 318D kits come with the receiver, which is wireless, and you also can get either one mic, two mics, or even dual mics with the third clip-on mic. So there are 3 different options that you can choose from. Again, check out my links in the description below. One thing that I noticed is when I put this earpiece on, I can actually hear myself speak. So that tells me on the fly if I need to, say, adjust my voice, if like I'm talking too quietly, too loudly. It really lets me adjust my voice on the fly, and I know exactly what you guys are hearing, which is really awesome, because sometimes I don't know if I'm a little bit too quiet or a little bit too loud, kind of blowing up the levels or whatnot. So this is really cool that I have that feature. Now, I can also click the button here and add a little bit of reverb to my voice if, say, I want more of an onstage presence type of sound, which I will show you right now. So this is me with the reverb on. I sound like I'm on a big stage in a big auditorium, lots of reverb, lots of echoes, and this is what I would sound like if I were to speak in public, which I hate doing, but I get a sense of that right now. So that'd be kind of cool if you, say, are working on a film project where you need to sound like you're in a stage, auditorium, and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this reverb back off. And this is what I sound like with no reverb added, just straight out of the microphone, right into my camera, and it should sound pretty clean. All right, so that's pretty much it, you guys. I can really hear my voice coming through the audio, and I sound clear. Hopefully it sounds clear on the audio, and then when I take it into my editing software, we'll see if I need to add any processing, but so far it's sounding very clear. There's really no hum, no echo, unless I want the echo, of course, and just no noise. It just sounds really clean and really clear from what I'm hearing in my earpiece here. But again, this is going to be really cool for, say, duplex calls, or if you need to interview someone, you get that audio right there, which is really, really cool feature. So again, this is stated that it is suitable for live broadcasts, short video shooting, and it's compatible with a lot of different devices. Again, phones, tablets, computers, cameras, and even audio recording boards. You can record it and connect it directly. It'll be completely wireless, free from wires, which is really cool, because something that I hate doing with wearing my wired microphone is I have to be wired and tethered to my camera at all times. It's gonna be really cool if, say, I need to walk around or work on different projects at once while recording and not skip a beat. It's gonna be really awesome. All right, guys, that's gonna sum it up for me. Once again, this is the 318 wireless microphone kit made by Lensgo. And by the way, Lensgo did send me this package to review, but all of my opinions are honest and everything I'm showing you is true. There's no editing, no fancy gimmicks or anything like that. And they did not specify anything of what I'm telling you right now. So everything's honest and on the fly and unique. So you're getting a real honest opinion here. But that's going to sum it up for me, you guys. Really cool package, really cool bundle. You get dual microphones, you get this fancy triple USB charging cable, which is really awesome. It's going to be great for content creators and also people doing interviews and things like that. Or if you're just a general YouTuber, just making videos and you want to be completely untethered from your camera or phone, this kit is awesome, you guys. Highly recommend it. Check it out. Again, check out my links in the description below. Once again, this was the Lensgo 318D wireless microphone kit. If you're not already, please consider hitting that subscribe button, like and comment as usual, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.